So a lot of people believe that the only way forward to treating cancer is chemo, radiation, and surgery. Now, these are the conventional ways of treating cancer, and it is essential. It is predominantly the way forward in getting rid of cancer in the body. However, it is not the only way. Medical treatment deals with the physical symptoms of cancer. I keep saying this, still the cancer cells are not visible in the system anymore. We continue with giving you chemo, radiation, surgery, so on and so forth. However, if you really want to deal with cancer from the root cause, then you have to focus on a holistic form and deal with treating the cancer holistically. Now, this is done in very simple manner. You look at your nutritional intake. What is the kind of food that you're eating? This is essential. This is what keeps your immunity alive, keeps it healthy, and keeps it to such a level that it is able to actually fight the cancer cells. So food is essential. There are certain types of food that is essential for your system, your lifestyle, and your type of cancer. Hence, you need someone who is specialized in the space of clinical nutritionist who has worked in oncology to work with you and provide proper functional foods to help eradicate the cancer from the body and deal with the root cause of why you got the cancer in the first place. Second is physical detoxification, physical rehab, whether that's done through physiotherapy, functional movement and training, yoga therapy, essential, or even through dance therapy. There are various forms of physical rehab that is physically detoxifying the body of the toxins that have been accumulated through the cancer cells, or even the chemotherapy that creates a lot of toxins in the body. We look at even the emotional mental well-being, so we have focused meditations to manage the stress levels that one might go through when going through cancer and post-cancer. It is not only a feel-good, that's all a byproduct of meditation, but actually meditation has proven scientific evidence that it is in its healing properties. So basically, managing stress levels decreases the release of cortisol, which is your stress hormone, into the body, and cortisol is a very inflammatory hormone. Basically what happens is it creates an inflammatory environment in the body which cancer thrives in. So it's very essential to keep stress levels low. Also dealing with the fears, anxieties, depression, whatever that might be that cancer brings about. You can do that through counseling and speaking to professionals, and one really ignores the impact of expressing yourself, speaking to people about what you're going through. It really is a way of detoxifying the mind as well. So when you're going through cancer, while you have medical treatment, you have to look at ways of detoxifying your system, getting rid of the toxins that have accumulated in the system, as well as the collateral damage that the medical treatment is doing. So medical treatment is essential, but it has to be complemented by holistic therapies so that we can deal with the root cause of why the cancer happened in the first place. Cancer just doesn't happen to anyone. There are reasons why it happens, and it's essential to figure out why it happened and then deal with it in a very holistic manner. So you can decrease your chances of relapse and really heal optimally from body, mind, emotionally, and mentally.